All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Organizedpreneur podcast series, Podcasting on Purpose. Podcasting on Purpose. And so, in this episode, we're going to lay some foundation. I want you to get really excited about the potential of building a thriving online business through podcasting. Because believe it or not, you should look at this as a business. Look at podcasting as a business. It's one of the things that I overlooked when I first started podcasting. I was so excited because I love podcasting. I love listening to podcasts. I love creating podcasts, but I didn't look at it as a business. And so I really want you to change your mindset around how you think about podcasting. So, as with any business, there should be a roadmap that leads you on a path that ultimately gets you to a destination. And so, as with any business, you should have a roadmap. So, in this episode, I'm going to share with you what I call my online business mastery roadmap. This is a 4 step framework for online business success. See, in this online space, there are a lot of shiny objects that's competing for your attention. So you need to have some type of blueprint that's going to help you stay focused and stay on course. So here's the 4 step framework: organize, optimize, systemize, and then monetize. Organize, optimize, systemize, and monetize. So, step one is organize. This is the foundational step where you lay the groundwork for success. And this involves your personal lives in terms of organization and getting organized. Think about the impact of having a well structured daily routine with clear goals, managing your time effectively, which allows you to prioritize your tasks and stay focused and maintain your work life harmony. Business organization. Consider how having a well defined process, systems, and workflows in your business can lead to increased efficiency and productivity and ultimately having better results. Infrastructure and resources. Visualize the benefits of organizing your digital files, your documents, your resources in a centralized location. And this makes it easier to access and share information either with team members or clients or what have you. So you want to make sure that you organize. Step two is optimize. Now, optimize is all about effectiveness. It simply means the act of making the best or the most effective use of a situation, asset, or resource. Optimize is like having a fine tuned online business machine. It's a well oiled machine. And to make it efficient, we need to make sure that we have optimized our various components. And so most of us, we think about, the website being optimized, SEO, which is search engine optimization, and wanting to appear on the first page of the search results, driving traffic organically, right? Content and marketing optimization. But do we even consider our clarity, our skill set, and our overall business as a resource, as an asset? And so you want to make sure that you're making the best or most effective use of a situation, an asset, or a resource. So that's optimize. The third step is systemize. Systemize processes and frameworks. And so when we think about systems and having processes in place so that your operation is running smoothly, even when you're not personally overseeing every task, this involves automation and outsourcing, uh, your CRM, customer relationship management system, your SOPs, your standard operating procedures, things that will allow you to have a scalable infrastructure in your business. So that's systemize. And lastly, monetize, which involves revenue, pricing structures, diversification in your business. And when I think about diversification, I always like to tell people that one of the things that I see people do often is that they will diversify before it's time. In other words, they don't have enough infrastructure for diversifying. And when you have a good, solid infrastructure, you're able to imagine the opportunities that come about. You're able to even see the opportunities and seize the opportunities. Opportunities may be affiliate marketing or partnerships or e commerce, online courses, digital products, all with the ability to give you other options in your business. And so, by recapping the four steps: organize, optimize, systemize, and monetize. Building an online business requires a systematic approach, and each step plays a vital role. So take action and apply the framework to every entrepreneurial endeavor, every venture that you can think of. Okay? All right, so that's it for now. I will see you on the next episode.